Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you Revit basic things for beginners. Okay. So whenever you open the Revit architectural, you can see this window, and this is properties bar, and this is project browser. And in project browser, you can get all the views, 3D views, all the schedule, all the things here. And this property is for controlling our views like visibility or sortings, some arrangement, everything here on the properties bar. This is related to this particular view only. Okay. So in top you can see some architectural elements and structural and like this. Okay. And steel system insert. So insert tab you can see all the external links like Revit, IFC links, and CAD, DWF. Also some image also. I'll explain later in next videos all the things as separate. Okay, in annotation category you can get all the tags, all the dimension, like hatches, all the levels, all the symbols, all this here, all the annotated category. Okay, and this one you don't need to. And this is for the massing and steady for the site and everything. And for the collaborate, this is for collaborating our models, like making central model, how to control the work set and the copy monitor, and also how to control the models in the clouds, everything here. Okay, in the views, this is related to all the views, how to create 3D view, how to create the section, call out, elevation, and also the controlling the template and visibility graphic. But these things we have it here also, but we are just showing. Okay, and also the making sheets, box, and uh, revision. I'll explain everything one by one later. This is just basic information only. And for the manage tab, this is our main settings for the project, and all the materials here, object style, which we need to control the settings, and the project information, project parameter, and shared parameter, and all the main setting is here. You can see the location, coordinates, everything will be here. Okay, and for the add-ins you can buy some add-in or download for some good add-ins. And I have Vray for rendering purpose, and also the modify tab, all the modifying things we have it here, like all the model properties or detail properties or annotation everything we can control here. Okay, so these are the basic thing in our Revit, and also I will show you how to get these tabs. So in the views tab we have it here in user interface. You can get all the navigation, the project browser, and properties, all the things here. So whenever you uh, turn off the project browser, you can just get it here from here. Okay, and also I'll show you how to make some shortcut. So in user interface, and you can get keyboard shortcut, And also there is a shortcut for keyboard shortcut. Just type K, yes. You don't need to enter. Okay, in AutoCAD, whenever you going to type some command, after typing you need to enter, then it will come command, it will activate. But in Revit you don't need to enter, it's automatically will activate whenever you press the command. Okay, and also you can just do, okay, the select link or select and anything. Whenever you need it to add any shortcut for this one, I mean keyboard shortcut, you can just click on here and add. I'm just clicking something. Okay, so once you click the number or single digit or two digit, three, up to you, and you need to click assign, then you can see a pop-up window if there is any same digit applied to any other command. Okay, so make sure you are not have the same one. Okay, just not adding anything. And also if you add something, example, you need to remove this pp, you can just click on top, not here, it should be here, click on the shortcut, and just remove, that's all, then click OK. So this is the basic things in Revit. Then I will show you one by one in my videos how to sort out all the project browser in professional ways. Okay, also how to set up the exporting like a PDF or print, all the things. And also I'll show you how to make the export to CAD. Also I'll show you how to export a CAD with a perfect layer. So the thing is, some company has a layer standard in CAD, but in Revit there is no layer standard. So whenever we export to CAD, our company standard CTV, it will not take it exactly. I mean the layer, line type and color, you need to rearrange everything. Okay, then it will give you, whenever you print from Revit and CAD, it will be same. Okay, so I'll show you how to make these things, and also all the setting one by one. So don't worry, just watch our channel one by one for AutoCAD and Revit tips, and make sure you are subscribe our channel, and see you on next video. Bye.